Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
You're saying that currently we spend 3.8 billion rand on bodyguards alone to protect members of parliament or to protect the national executive. 3.8 billion, billion with the B.
Yes, that's right. Well, it's actually 3.7 billion rand, but splitting hairs.
Surely it should be raised that it doesn't make sense. Yes, we're not saying that politicians should not be protected or those who are representing us in public office should not be protected, but 3.8 billion rand or 3.7 billion rand on bodyguarding alone. 3.7 billion rand on bodyguarding alone. You know what, Matthew? I'm sitting here while talking to you and I'm thinking, I wonder how many schools that could build. I wonder when it comes to the feeding school or the school feeding scheme program, how many schools we can feed, how many kids we can feed more with that, how many computer labs can we actually develop with that. And we're not developing the computer labs. We're not feeding the schools. What we're actually doing with that 3.7 billion rand is protecting politicians with bodyguards, or indeed be protecting those that are in public office with bodyguards. It's all going to just bodyguarding alone.
Are these people not getting paid so that they can pay for their own bodyguards? It gets paid by us. Hi, there's a lot that we don't know. No, there's a lot. No, these people must go. 3.7 million. This is not good at all.
Ekho umuntu okusafanele asiqambela amanga manje. Asitshela ukuthi imali eSouth Africa ayikho. Uma bekwazi ukuspenda 3.8 billion rand per annum, kukhokhelwa nje ama bodyguard walama members of parliament, like a cabinet, not ama members wonke, cabinet, o minister, o deputy minister, bonke labantu, o president nani. Hayi akufanelanga bese kuthi South Africa ayinamali. Uma kubekwazi ukukhokha imali engaka, sikhuluma ngabantu la abahola more than 100,000 rand per month. Imali abayitholayo more than 100,000 rand per month. Mina ngazi ukuthi ngithini, ngicela uzwe la.
Yo, Bafethu, congratulations to South Africa's hardest working people, the politicians. Yebo. While you're calculating whether bread or electricity comes first this month, they got a salary increase, Bafethu. Not because things are going well, not because hospitals are fixed, not because jobs appeared, just because they're there. Wabona mo South Africa, if you're at the bottom, you must understand the economy. If you're at the top, the economy must understand you. They'll tell you it's only 3.something%. Smallanyana money. Nothing to complain about. But 3% of millions is very different from 3% of nothing. You get told, be patient, times are tough, we are all suffering. Funny how suffering never reaches the parliament. Never. At the bottom, you must budget pain. At the top, they adjust salaries. And don't misunderstand me. This is not jealousy. This is logic. In real life, when performance drops, bonuses disappear. When targets are missed, belts tighten. But politics is the only job where failure comes with a raise. So if you're unemployed right now, if you're hustling just to stay alive, if you feel invisible, this system was never designed to feel you. It was designed to use your patience as fuel. And here's the painful truth nobody says out loud. They don't fear poor people. They fear organized people. They fear informed people. They fear people who stop begging and start building. So stop waiting for dignity from systems that profit from your silence. Build income, build leverage, build independence. Because every year they raise salaries at the top, they're testing one thing at the bottom. How much more can you take? South Africa answered that.
Ke wazibuza ukuthi kungani labantu bengafuni ukusuka lapha eParliament. Cyril Ramaphosa una 70 something years. NTZ uneminyaka eminingi. Angie Motshekga uneminyaka eminingi. Abana youth. No, ilama benefits akhona. Labantu bakwazi ukuspenda 3.8 billion rand. just for uma security ukuthi nje babagadwe. Baphinde futhi bakhushulelwe imali. uSiril Ramaphosa bakhuphulela imali. Njengoba bakhuphulele imali, akunendaba ukuthi i-service delivery khona noma izinto zihamba kahle noma azihambi kahle, kubo bayitholile imali. Ibhlungu ke lento. Ngasesikhathi i-unemployment rate iphezulu, ngesikhathi isimo wena ngokubuka kusibona singahambi kahle, ngesikhathi bengakwazi ukuqasha odokotela ngoba imali ingekho, no-nurse, ngikhuluma mina ngabantu abadingekayo. Kukhona indawo zasemakhaya, kukhona indawo zasemalokishini, udoktar kahleze khona ufika ngeinsuku ngoba bakwazi uku-afford udoktar ozoza everyday. Bakhona odoktar bahlele ekhaya, kodwa uhulumeni akanamali yokukhokhela odoktar, unemali yokuthi bona bahole. Kuthi bona bahole. Kuma-local government elections, uma sisaqhubeka sesafisa ukuqhubeka nokuphila kanje, sizokubona lapha kuma-local government elections. Indlela esizovota ngayo izosho ukuthi siyakujabulela noma sikujabulela ukuphila ngale ndlela esiphila ngayo. Uma kodwa sisakujabulela, soqhubeka sivotele bona laba abasiphethe babuyele ezikhundleni. Iyona into esizoyenza. Asidlule phambili. Imoto la ku screen sakho uma uyibuka ayifanele ukuba semgaqweni. Kodwa inestick esikhulu seSantaco okukhombisa ukuthi le moto le ithwala umphakathi. Yazi kwenziwa yini? Ngoba impilo yalabantu abagibela le moto worth u20 ngoba le moto uma iqhamuka phambi kwamaphoyisa athatha u20 ayidedele idlule. Impilo nje abantu abasuke begibele le moto iworth u20. uMMC we-Public Safety la eJohannesburg, uDr Mgcini Ntshwako, baphuma umkhankaso ukuthola iy'moto ey'njengalezi ukuthi bazithathe as impound. Ngicabanga ukuthi yona into ezosilamulela ngoba uma uMMC ekhona, amaphoyisa la wenza ngathi ayasebenza. Uma eqhela nje eduze kwawo, le moto ziyaqhubeka edlule. Njengoba uyibona nje inestika seSantaco. Ngake ngagibela imoto mina, istika esasikhona association akhomthelo, angithi imoto elayisha umphakathi inemthelo emibili. Kunalo munye abathi passenger liability. Awukho lo mthelo loyo. Into ekhona istika se-association. Isimo nje siphila phansi kwaso South Africa yethu ekhululekileyo. Nansi warning ekhishwe uMMC we-Public Safety. Ithi warning, all scholar transport, taxis and vehicle must comply with regulations, or vehicles will be impounded. From the end of October, enforcement campaign will intensify. During a patrol in Orange Farm, we identify a scholar transport vehicle that was overloaded with pupils, carrying students, smoking an hookah pipe, operated by a driver without a valid license or provisional driving permit, also known as PDP, not registered as scholar transport vehicle. Stop overloading school children. Le message le imessage ayibhala ngonyaka ophelile ukuze ubone ukuthi wayengadlali, wayengakhulumi nje, sebeqalile bayakwenza lokho. JMPD is confronting lawlessness in Region G with decisive action. Any public transport or scholar transport vehicle found without valid disc is being impounded immediately. Officers are targeting a range of infringements, including unlicensed vehicles, failure to display registration discs, lack of roadworthy certificates, overloaded vehicles, and driver without valid PRDP permits. These operations send a clear message: non-compliance will not be tolerated, and the safety of commuters and learners remains JMPD highest priority. Imagine nje makungathiwa laba basiphethe, kakhulukazi laba basiphethe la ekuhlaleni, baphuma lo mkhankaso othathwa uDr Mgcini Ntshwako lapha ya eJohannesburg ukuthi bethi nje lezi imoto ezingakufanele ukuba semgwaqweni bayazibheka, bayazi-impound. Singaphila kwi-South African right kanjani? Kodwa ngeke kuze kwenzeke lokho ngoba nalamaphoyisa ahamba nayo uDr Mgcini Ntshwako azikhipha nje le imoto endleleni ngoba usuke khona yena. Phela akahleze khona njalo. Ukusuka kwakhe nje kuzophinde kube njengenhlala yenza. Isimo nje siphila phansi kwaso kwi-South Africa yethu ekhululekileyo. Yiso lesi. So kufanele thina sivote wisely, siyabazi abantu abasebenzayo. Uyabona noma ngathiwa awuyifuni kangakanani i-EFF, ngoba ngiyabazi ukuthi abantu base-South Africa abanye banenkinga yokuthi basadinga ukufundiswa ukubaluleka kwezinto. Kodwa nje mongakubeka ama-emotions eceleni, uyeke ukungayithandi kwakhe i-EFF. UDr Mgcini Ntshwako mangathiwa kufuneka abuyiselwe ayoba u-MMC we-Public Safety, kungafuneka noma kuthiwa bungamthandi kodwa uyivotele i-EFF wenzele ukuthi aqhubeke abe u-MMC, ngoba siyayibona imisebenzi emihle eyenzakalayo. Ya kulula, singakhuluma ngayo yonke into. Imagine mangathiwa wehlelwe ingozi ugibele yona le moto engenamthelo, ilayisha umphakathi le, and futhi abantu bamateksi nikhumbule ukuthi bawumthetho bona ngokwabo. Ithi ngikukhombise iletha abayibhalele esinye isikole la mayelana nokudaba lokutransportwa kwezingane. Le letter ithi Mhlumayo Taxi Association, 28 Albert Street, Ladysmith, 3370, bayibhale ngomhla ka-15 January 2026. Ithi Dear Sir or Madam, siyanibingelela, philani thina siyaphila, sojabula uma niphila. Siyinhlangano yaseMhlumayo Taxi Association. Sicela ukunazisa ukuthi ngomhla ka-16 February 2026 asizukuvumela izimoto esingazazi nothisha olayisha abanye angeke simvumele. Angahamba ngemoto yakhe asinankinga, kodwa uma esefake abanye angeke adlule. Siyanicela singaxabani ngalokho. Emsebenzini wethu nathi angeke usithole sesifundisa. Sicela sihloniphane, siyabonga. U-X eyayaziwa ngeTwitter, uTumisole oyintatheli uye watheka iSantaco wabuza ukuthi ithini nangalolu daba lolu. Yayisimphendula kanje, greetings, the matter is being attended to. A retraction will be issued in no time. Wayeseyabonga nathi thank you. Silindeleke ukuthi sizwe ukuthi iziphi inyathelo abazozithatha, ngoba awukho umthetho othi imoto yakho ufuna ungagibeza imuntu kuyo. Ushuthi uthisha uzoyeka ukugibeza oza kwabo emotweni ehamba nawo bendaweni eyodwa bafuna bayogibela itaxi. Bayagula labantu yazi. Abantu bamateksi abaphilanga kahle. Kodwa bafanele, ngishilo ekuqaleni ngathi bawumthetho bona ngokwabo. Angiyibambe le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphola kwakho la comment section. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo landelayo. Ngiyabonga.